Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny armor and a smile as bright as the sun, lived in a big, happy castle. His best friend was a little dragon named Sparky. Sparky was green and had soft scales, like smooth pebbles. He had big, friendly eyes and a wobbly tail that wagged when he was happy. But today, Sparky wasn't wagging his tail. He was hiccuping. Hic, hic, went Sparky. And with each hiccup, a tiny shimmering sparkle popped out of his nose and floated away like a little star. Sparky covered his snout with his claws. "Oh dear," he mumbled. "My hiccups are making sparkles again. It's so silly." Sir Reginald chuckled, a warm and friendly sound like bells jingling. "Silly? I don't think so, Sparky. Look!" He pointed to where the tiny sparkles had landed. They twinkled on the green grass and shimmered on the castle walls. "They look like tiny jewels," Sir Reginald exclaimed. "We are having a party tomorrow. What if we use your sparkly hiccups to decorate the castle?" Sparky's eyes widened. "Decorate? With my hiccups?" So, Sir Reginald and Sparky started to decorate. Sir Reginald would point to a spot, and Sparky would try to hiccup in that direction. Hic! Hic! More tiny sparkles floated through the air, landing on the tall towers and the round windows. They made everything look magical. They decorated the big wooden doors with swirling patterns of glittery dust. They made sparkling trails along the garden paths. Even the fluffy white bunnies that lived in the garden hopped around, leaving tiny trails of shimmer on their soft fur where the sparkles had landed. By the time the sun began to set, the castle was covered in beautiful twinkling sparkles. Sparky still had the hiccups, but now he didn't feel silly anymore. He felt happy. He had helped decorate for the party in a very special way. The next day, all the party guests gasped when they saw the sparkling castle. "It's so beautiful," they said. Sparky smiled, his wobbly tail finally wagging. He learned that even something that seems a little strange, like sparkly hiccups, can be wonderful if you use your imagination. And Sir Reginald learned that being a good friend means helping others see how special they truly are.
Please subscribe. Thank you.